Okay, so we are back here with part two. I let this cool for a little bit. I did fail the first attempt, so I did reheat some of this and put more water in it. I made a big mess in here, but I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna invert this, put some ice on the top. Hopefully the ice will make this hot water boil. Just in case that connection's not on there perfect yet, I am going to hold the bottom of this, and now I'm going to put some ice right up on the top. Some slushy, melty ice water. And as you can see, we have some boiling going on in there. I'm going to try to get some ice to stay on the top and then maybe bring the camera a little closer. Actually, you can see that pretty good from that angle. Definitely some good boiling going on in there. So we're putting ice on top of the water and it is making it boil. Why is that happening? Well, the ice is essentially creating a vacuum in there. Above the water, that water vapor that's in there is cooling, recondensing, and any air in there is cooling, moving less rapidly, creating less pressure in there. So as we saw with the vacuum pump, you can make water boil just by decreasing the pressure. So that's what's going on here. This is one of my favorite demos. It does surprise you a lot when you first see it, how you could actually make water boil with ice, because it's completely counterintuitive. You think that usually, you have to heat water to make it boil. But you could also boil water simply by reducing external pressure. And that's what we're doing right here.